Hello everyone, my name is Dilip Upadhyay. In this video, I'm going to share something important with you. जब हम इंग्लिश की बात करते हैं तो हर किसी के मन में ये ज़रूर होता है कि हम फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोलें और बिना रुके बोलें, बिना डरे बोलें, कॉन्फिडेंट इंग्लिश बोलें, फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोलें और हिंदी की तरह इंग्लिश बोलें। लेकिन जब बोलने की बात आती है तो आप बोल सकते हो कि मन में डर भी होता है, हेजिटेशन भी होती है और अपने ऊपर डाउट भी होता है कि अगर हम इंग्लिश बोलेंगे तो क्या इंग्लिश सही होगी या गलत होगी। So to clear this doubt, I want to share some tips with you, and in this video I'm going to share those tips which are going to be very helpful for you to do practice of English on the daily basis. अगर आप इंग्लिश की बात करें तो इंग्लिश में वैसे तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं इंग्लिश को सीखने के लिए, इंग्लिश को बोलने के लिए। लेकिन मैं सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ यही कहना चाहूँगा कि वेन एवर यू गेट ए चांस टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, डू नॉट फील शाय एंड डू नॉट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ कमिटिंग मिस्टेक्स। ज़्यादातर लोगों की प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि उनको मन में ही ये डर लगा रहता है कि अगर वो इंग्लिश बोलेंगे तो वो गलत ना हो। और कुछ लोग तो ये मानते हैं कि अगर वो इंग्लिश बोलना शुरू करें तो लोग उनका मजाक उड़ाएंगे, और मजाक उड़ाने के ही डर से ज़्यादातर लोग इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश नहीं करते। बट ऑनेस्टली आई वांट टू टेल यू, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश, that is for sure that you will commit mistakes, because whenever you start doing something new, like if you learn something, if you learn driving, if you learn how to ride a bike, it means whatever you start, so in the starting, like first 2 days, it is for sure that you are going to commit mistake, you are going to fall down and you are going to get some injuries also. But day by day, when you keep on doing practice, you become perfect in that. And as everybody knows that practice makes a man perfect, so do प्रैक्टिस ऑन द डेली बेसिस। और जब भी मौका मिलता है तो इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश ज़रूर करो, चाहे वो छोटा सेंटेंस हो, चाहे वो किसी के साथ प्रैक्टिस करने का मौका मिले, आप उस चीज़ को इम्प्लीमेंट करो। सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ है कि इंग्लिश को अपने आप या खुद से ही बोलकर देखने की ज़्यादा कोशिश करो। लाइक यू कैन मेक स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस, यू कैन मेक लॉन्ग सेंटेंसेस, वर्ड्स लर्न कर सकते हो। इट मीन्स इन स्टार्टिंग अपना एक बेस बनाने की कोशिश करो। उस बेस से कम आपको ये पता चलेगा कि आपको अपने लेवल का पता चलेगा कि आपको कहाँ से शुरू करने की ज़रूरत है। एंड फॉर दोज हु ऑलरेडी know the structures of English, who want to get atmosphere only, for those I want to say this thing that whenever you get a chance to speak English with those people who already know how to speak English, like grab the opportunity and start English with them, and do not feel hesitation while talking to them, because like if you feel hesitation in talking to them, you will not be able to remove your hesitation. So it's good to grab the opportunity and do practice with them on the daily basis. Make some friends and do chat with them in English, and focus on learning some new words and making some new sentences on the daily basis, so that you can feel that your level of English is improving. एंड सबसे अच्छी चीज़ ये है कि रीड समथिंग ऑन द डेली बेसिस, वेदर इट इज़ अ बुक और न्यूज़ पेपर। इफ़ यू आर रीडिंग ऑन द डेली basis, that would be, I think, much better. Read the newspaper on the daily basis, and write down some words which you find useful from the newspaper or from the book, and do practice with friends who go to college and who have joined some academies, some English speaking academies. They will also help you to learn English and to improve English. And the important thing is that make a habit of writing also, because writing will help you to be creative, and it will help you to give some new words which you can use on the daily basis. So read something on the daily basis and do practice with yourself. Do not be afraid of committing mistakes. Mistakes are the part of life. Keep speaking English and do practice on the daily basis, and make a habit of writing also, and do these things on the daily basis for 10 to 20 days, and for 25 days, definitely you will feel some improvement in you, and you will feel that your English is improving. And finally, I would say that whether you are speaking English or Hindi or any other language, uh, do practice and make an atmosphere of that language which can help you to improve. And don't feel shy, don't be nervous while speaking this language, like while speaking any other languages. I am not talking about only English, but I am talking about other languages also. So do practice with your friends and family members, though you may be feeling shy in talking to your family members, that they don't know English, they don't know some other languages. But yeah, you have to make a habit of doing practice, and practice can be done with those people who you know very well, because you will not feel insulted if you speak something wrong, because most of the people have this thing in their mind: if they speak wrong language and if they speak wrong English, so people will make fun of them. So it's better to speak English with your friends and family members, and with those people who are good at it, so that they can guide you well and they can tell you that you are speaking right or wrong. So do practice on the daily basis, and focus on yourself, and read newspaper, write something on the daily basis, read books, and take out some words, find out some words from those books which you are reading on the daily basis. If it is possible, read aloud, read little louder. If you're reading a newspaper, it will remove your hesitation, and it will build up your confidence level. So I hope this video will help you to learn and to implement something new in your learning. So thanks for watching this video.